Hi everyone, this is Bob from Hairpin Machinery. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to showcase our CNC horseshoe tube return bend machine. On this machine, we equip it with two toolings. One is 5mm and another is 7mm copper tube size. This is the finished bending product with crossover bending. This is a 5mm and this one is with 7mm. Machine equipped with 5 bending menus. That means 5 pieces can be bending in one cycle time. Now machine is equipped with 7mm